In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Spotify playlist empty problem 2025. So, in order to fix this problem, first of all, navigate to your Spotify application. Now, click on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. Now click on Settings and Privacy and it will take you to this page. Here, you're going to click on Data Saving and Offline option. Now, this will give you some options. Here, you'll have to just scroll at the bottom and make sure you click on the clear option that says free up space by clearing your data. Click on clear cache again and this will instantly delete the temporary files that will be stored as cache on your device and might be causing this problem. Now, scroll up and make sure that this offline mode is turned off. It should be toggled off to enable internet access for Spotify. This will instantly solve your problem. If your problem still persists, navigate to Play Store, go to the search bar, type in Spotify, click on uninstall after Spotify, click on uninstall again, then reinstall Spotify, then log in using your user credentials. After this, it will successfully solve your problem. So that was the simple way through which you can fix this problem. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.